Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe. Learn Vietnamese in 15 minutes. Everyday words and sentences. Easy lesson. What if in the next 15 minutes you could begin to understand and speak Vietnamese? Not perfectly, but clearly enough to start real conversations. Stay with me, because by the end of this lesson, you'll be able to greet people, introduce yourself, ask simple questions, and understand everyday responses in Vietnamese. Let's begin. First, greetings. Xin chào, which in English means hello. Chào bạn, which in English means hi to a friend. Chào buổi sáng, which in English means good morning. Chào buổi tối, which in English means good evening. Now, repeat slowly. Xin chào, which in English means hello. Chào bạn, which in English means hi. Great. Now, introducing yourself. Tôi, which in English means I. Tên tôi là, which in English means my name is. Let's combine them. Tên tôi là Min, which in English means my name is Bin. Tên tôi là Anna, which in English means my name is Anna. Now, asking someone's name. Bạn tên là gì? Which in English means, what is your name? Let's practice a simple exchange. Xin chào, which in English means hello. Tên tôi là Nam, which in English means my name is Nam. Bạn tên là gì? Which in English means what is your name? Now, polite words. Lemon, which in English means please. Come on, which in English means thank you. Come on you, which in English means thank you very much. Con così, which in English means you're welcome. Vâng, which in English means yes. Không, which in English means no. Take your time. Repeat each one. Come on, which in English means thank you. Honkozi, which in English means you're welcome. Now, everyday questions. Ban Hui Hong, which in English means how are you? Responses. Toi Hue, which in English means I am fine. Toi Hong Hue, which in English means I am not well. Let's build a conversation. Ban Hui Hong, which in English means how are you? Toi Hue, which in English means I am fine. Cam on, which in English means thank you. Now, talking about where you are from. Toi den tu, which in English means I come from. Examples. Toi den to Vietnam, which in English means I am from Vietnam. Toi den to Philippines, which in English means I am from the Philippines. Now, asking someone else. Ban đến từ đâu, which in English means where are you from? Let's combine. Xin chào, which in English means hello. Tên tôi là Lan, which in English means my name is Lan. Tôi đến từ Vietnam, which in English means I am from Vietnam. Ban đến từ đâu, which in English means where are you from? Now, daily actions. Tôi ăn, which in English means I eat. Tôi uống, which in English means I drink. Tôi đi, which in English means I go. Example sentences. Tôi ăn bánh mì, which in English means I eat bread. Tôi uống nước, which in English means I drink water. Tôi đi về nhà, which in English means I go home. You're doing great. Let's slow down and review xin chào, which in English means hello. Tên tôi là, which in English means my name is Ban khỏe không, which in English means how are you? Come on, which in English means thank you. Now imagine a real-life situation. You meet someone new. Ah. Xin chào, which in English means hello. Tên tôi là Huy, which in English means my name is Huy. Bạn tên là gì? Which in English means what is your name? They respond, Tên tôi là Mai, which in English means my name is Mai. Bạn khỏe không? Which in English means how are you? You reply, tôi khỏe, which in English means I am fine, come on, which in English means thank you. And just like that, you're speaking Vietnamese. Before we finish, one final review. Xin chào, which in English means hello. Chào buổi sáng, which in English means good morning. Tên tôi là, which in English means my name is. Bạn tên là gì? Which in English means what is your name? Bạn khỏe không? Which in English means how are you? Come on, which in English means thank you. You've taken your first step into Vietnamese. And the more you repeat, the more natural it becomes. Keep practicing. Keep listening. Keep speaking. If you made it this far, you're already ahead. I'll see you in the next lesson. Tạm biệt, which in English means goodbye. That was excellent. Please like and subscribe for daily lessons. See you next time.